Nasaan ako?
Walang hanggan.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Kill confirmed. Located the rest of them.
Seryo?
JB.
Siya. Wala.
Wala.
Dito.
Ay, may sakit.
Sige lang, sige lang.
Ay, may malaki ka na.
Clocking up.
Ha? Hindi nagre-raid kami. Nalaglag ako po.
25 remain. Solid work so far.
Dito banda yung isa eh. Sa bahay?
Enemy soldier incoming.
Down? Yun na ba?
Mark remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
Go me, bitch.
Ush.
Good as new.
Ako lang, baka mabato. Makapatay naman ako.
Tao dito.
Get to the safe
Walang
zone.
bahay.
Gas is moving.
Dito sa labas, tumakbo. Ba't ako na dito? Sa loob ng bahay.
Fire sale is active. Buy station.
Ah, ano pala?
More risk, more reward. Enemy precision airstrike. Find cover.
Ayaw niya makita yung katawan mo. Tinitipag. Sa taas, bubong na. Nagsaslapers ah.
Tapos siya.
Saan?
Dito. Taas. Tubo. Siyang buhay.
Get ready. Resurgence window is about to close.
Uy,
Namatay. Siya bumaril.
hindi ako nakaakyat.
Dalawa.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the
Taas,
skies.
taas.
Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your
Huwag kayo
attack
na
map.
magsak din
Keep
ako.
hunting. Your objective's simple. Eliminate all bounty targets. Fire sale's over. Adjusting prices. There's an increased payout for this job. Be sure to collect. Loadout drop headed your way. Primary objective.
Wait.
All targets eliminated.
Be advised, UAV is exiting the AO.
Remaining safe zone locations intel is marked on your TAC map.
Tayo. Nagdat pala kayo.
Resurgence has closed. No more second
May
chances.
sinundan ako eh. Ayan. Yan.
Enemies dropping into the AO.
Nice. Good shit, tol.
May nag-step sa akin. Hindi ko lang nasaan.
Ayun, over. Right?
Gatay na tayo dito.
Meron dito.
Ano pa STG? Ano pong malayuan to?
Balit.
Pang malayuan yung STG. Eh, wala akong loadout.
Ano nag-load up?
Loadout tayo. Ito, kunin mo na lang ito for SMG.
Pero ako enter eh.
Ano ba yung SMG? Ah, okay. Tapos, ito na lang, pang malayuan ng sniper.
Alin?
Yung sniper, pang malayuan mo na lang. Ay, okay, pahinga pera.
Yung
Oo, okay na.
Kunin mo to.
Got a custom weapon here.
Ang ganda to.
Striker. Pang malapitan mo yan.
Mas maganda yan.
Stable yan, wag magalala. Stable yan, wag magalala. Hindi yan magulo kagaya ng may
Ay. Ay, buti na. Ay.
walang yata.
Some of your squad's outside the safe zone.
May all perks ka pa?
Ako?
Hmm.
Oo.
Okay.
Nantok.
Ayan.
Tahimik ka. 15?
Sa atin yung ano, malapit. Sa atin
Ano yan?
yung kwan. Zoom.
Hmm.
Oo, okay na. Ina mo.
Okay ka daw ng ina mo.
Utang ina mo.
Ay. Practice lang.
Ay, nag-ano, nag-give ang kulay sabay.
Oo nga.
Sa prison meron.
Yun o.
Limiting ko natin.
Weapon support.
Tumot sa
Roger.
prison.
Stay firm.
Nag-load out. Nag-load out sa taas.
UAV overhead.
May bumaba. May nag-deploy.
Get your squad in the safe zone. No one gets left behind.
Tago na lang tayo dito.
Saan? Dito? Okay.
Keep your eyes up for prize contracts. You'll earn more buck for your bang.
Ano, nag-rotate pa sila.
May kita kayo po si Jade.
Nasa may bike.
Crap.
Tumot. Baba.
Pabarili ka sa taas.
Magpapam ako.
Bumaba siya.
No! Nag-smoke. Hindi ko nakita yung sa taas. Sayang, patay na sana yun.
Saan yun? Ano pa dun eh?
Dito sa likod natin, guys.
Saan?
Yes, sa likod.
All squad members are in the safe zone. Gas is closing in.
Pre, ingat. Sa squad yan.
Enemy buy station deployed.
Nice. Nag-gano sila ng buy station. Tara, dali na. Go kay GB.
You made it.
No, Jeep.
Buhay mo. Sige. Sige. Chill lang kayo. Dito. Dito ka dyan. B-teams.
Head to the safe zone. Gas is inbound.
Down yung isa. Magkakalaban sila.
Defense go round.
Nasaan sila lahat,
Enemy
gago?
soldier incoming.
Sa atin yung ano.
Nasa labas sila ng susay.
Four remain. Finish the job.
Apat na lang.
Dalawa. Isa na lang, isa na lang. Pero
Wala,
wait,
pasok lang
isa
sa
na.
Sakit.
Saan?
Targets left to kill. I believe that's what they call victory.
Ino si Pechi pala yun, putang ina.
Ito ba wadi?
Ito. Hindi, wala lang choice yan. Pabiling pepperoni.
Closing.
Pepperoni?
Pepperoni lang.
Di ba pwedeng pepperoni?
Paano yung gigil? Paano yung...
Mission complete, but I'm tracking more threats en route. Prioritize extraction.
Paano yung gigil ng pepperoni?
Yan, tama, tama. Tama. Labis.
Ano yung wala ko naririnig?
Assist.
Ay, assist ka lang. Ano?
Survivor.
Survivor. Ano kaya ko dito?
Medic.
Medic. Sabagay. Palagi ako na eh. Armor. Wow.
Grabe na, kasabay na tatlo lang tayo. Laban sa 4-5.
Wow. Proven.
Uwi na. Uwi na.
Oh, uwi na, Pechi. Uwi na.
Basically, you gotta fucking do delivery. Tell them what I taught you about Tagalog words.
Putang ina
Tell
mo.
them what I taught
Putang
you.
ina mo.
Kingdom.
It's my friends. Tell them. Oh, God, I know. Remember?
Sabi na nga pa eh.
You never.
Yeah.
Oh, God. Putang ina mo. Say,
Every Filipinos.
what?
Utang ina mo.
Yes.
Gago pa.
Gago.
Tinuruan na ho ng mali. Ayun na ho.
Uy, anong mali? Tama yun.
Ay, tama daw yun.
You're a customer, bye-bye.
Ay, nasa customer Bible. Wala ko to si Pechi. Ang buhay ay wither lang.
Tangin ng puta. Putang ina. Putsana.
Use this time for some target practice. Real things coming soon. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Enemy soldier incoming.
Oh, we're playing. We're raiding. We're dungeoning.
Time's over. Stand by for deployment to the war zone.
Waiting for this magic moment.
Gawin mo nga. Gawin mo kayo natin. Yung sa'yo na. Yung TikTok.
Ah, gago kayo. Ayaw ko.
Gawin mo nga.
Pangilan niyo.
Supreme resurgence. Stay alive to keep your squad in the fight.
Ginawa mo yun ng...
All right, we got you started. You finished the job.
So I don't have to do it.
Gas is closing in.
Photographer.
Diyan
Sorry,
na, sa
Dada.
likod mo! Diyan na! Oh, gago!
Supply box UAV is
Owa
inbound.
ka naman, Ton. meron doon sa tuktok.
Looks like this intel reveals the location of the next gas spread. Get it to the designated uplink station for decryption. Hurry up.
Tinamaan ba si Gago? Aray ko meron ko sa... Meron sa...
Ay, ikaw pala yan.
Tang inang dyan na. Chill. Mamma mia.
Ano, JB?
Nagpasan mo.
Ah, dyan na!
GG.
Oh, dyan na, dyan na, dyan na. Patay na, patay na, patay na.
Surging. Go get your revenge.
Gigil yun eh. Loadout sila.
Ikaw ay ka maglaro.
Uy, ano ba yan?
Oo ka lang, ano.
Ikaw ay ka maglaro eh. Paano pala?
Dito,
Mamasita.
hello? Nasaan kayo, guys? Ayan na, Jimmy!
Ayun.
Go get hunting. Stay alive with your squad and redeploy. You got reinforcements inbound.
Bakit ito ba na ng ganun? Waiting on magic moment.
All the ways of love. Na-na-na-na-na, the only ways
Uy,
to
bakit
fly.
ako hinayaan yung mabuhay?
Oh yeah. Hindi talaga ang buhay ang life.
Patay ka na.
Oh my god, captain.
The
All
pineapple.
I have a pen. I
I
have
have
an
a
apple.
apple.
Never afford to live there.
Apple pen.
Uy, bawal yung JB. Nag-aaka dyan.
I have a pen. I have
Not what I
pineapple.
said. It's not
Ah.
related, and I
Pineapple
that
pen.
you would choose such a thing.
Apple pen. Pineapple pen. Pen, pineapple, apple pen.
Oh, paano yung sayaw?
Tut. Wala namang sayo yun.
Look.
Basic lang yung sayo niya.
This magic moment.
All the wings of love.
Visit ka. Kukuha lang ako ng ano. Wait, ako mo na i-start. Pag
Wala,
i-start mo,
wala.
sasaktan kita.
Tutulog na ako. Okay na, bye-bye. Good night.
Yun na.
Yung buhay manok. Winner. Mangit ako. Ate May. Yuhu. Mamasita.
Ay, di ba na fight?
Wait lang daw, sabi ni
Ay.
Kajana. All the wings of love. I never... Ay, mag-1,000 na rin ako sa wakas. Konting tulak na lang.
I'm not losing a
Uy,
wingman
ano
today.
na?
Yaw. Oh, mama malele. Mama malele. Mama malele la palele la pali. Paano ba yan, Jana? Yung
Wow.
Resurgence next month?
Hmm.
Bagong mapa.
Uy, nawala ka, Nat.
Dito ko.
Ano, invisible kasi. Invisible.
Ganyan yan kapag nag-ano.
Puta na, nantok ako. Good night, guys.
Wala.
Lo,
Parang di
hindi mo na
pamilya.
kami mahal. Wala na pamilya to.
Kaya na papilya to.
Iwan.
Sa pamilyang to. Wala lang.
Gear up fast. We're about to get evil.
Ano man nag-ribbon lang.
I'll be back.
Enemies dropping into the AO.
Ribbon, sige na, maawa ka.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Nag-ribbon lang, Nat. Masaya na ako doon.
Braso de Mercedes lang.
Ano yun?
Okay na ako.
Mango.
All stations, we are green to go. Stand by for
Wala
deployment.
naman, Nat. Ay, hindi. Pagkatuloy yung visit eh. Uuwi ako nag-ribbon.
Hindi.
Kanina ko sa ribbon.
Supreme resurgence. Survive and your team can redeploy. Eliminate targets to bring them back faster. Your team leader. Set a drop point for your squad, soldier. Gotta love a good entrance. All right, let's move.
Ano?
Gas is inbound.
Hindi
Your
sila
squad made it to the safe zone.
Na pineapple.
Ibig ano.
Full team.
Seeing a swarm of spy drones down there. Clean them up. Could use some shotgun shells.
Ganun.
Request recon
Oh
flight.
my
better.
god, you fucking bitch. Oh my god.
My
Mamatay
God.
ako.
Oh my god.
Be
Like,
advised, enemies
oh
deployed a
my
buy station.
god.
Hostile
Yeah,
airstrike near
um,
your location.
Uy, sa team. Oh my god.
Binuksan niya lang yung pintuan. Doon sila oh.
Lang dito
You're the last one standing.
Oh my god.
Contract failed. You lost the objective.
Tang na.
Wala, nantok na tayong lahat.
Bagsak lahat.
Tara, manood na ng movie.
Nood na lang tayo.
Nanood na ng movie.
Napasok
Mobe. El
ako
Kader.
matulog eh.
Ay, pag natulog ako, hilig talaga ako malakas. Promise. Ay, wala na. Wala beta eh. Never mind. Never mind.
Ay, puke.
Laro ka ng Black Ops one time. Tignan natin kung ma-cheater.
Ay naku. Ano daw papanoorin natin? Okay.
Pinoy Big Brother. Season 25.
Pink concert? Wow! Sa Edmonton. Galing mo.
Wow. Ang galing. Sarap. Kapting.
Sarap kumain.
Kapting.
Naka-live ka pa rin? Laya ka? Kanina
What?
pa ka.
Good morning, pineapple!
Oh my god. Ano to? Eliminate the
You're meeting
enemy
who the
stage.
very nice!
Ano to? Let me try
My
this
God.
one.
Uy, ano?
Uy.
Anong papanoorin natin? Wala. Sige, bye.
Lo.
Ano ba? Mamili ka na kung ano panoorin natin.
Bakit ako? Ayaw ko
Hindi ko
mag-stream.
alam. Ikaw, Jeep.
Ba't ako? Why me?
JB.
I'm playing,
naku.
my friend.
Ay. Ayoko na.
Load na kayo. Sige na.
Ano
Oo.
ba naman tong pamilyang to?
Ay, ewan ko ba?
Hindi magkasundo tong pamilyang to.
Ewan ko ba? I don't know why. I don't know why, but I
Kulangot.
know why.
Tayo mga kulangot.
Kasama yung kulangot mo pag maalat. May sakit siya sa bato.
Kinang.
Pag tinikman mo, baliw ka.
Grabe ba? Baliw pala eh.
Puput ako ng kulangot.
Easy.
HVT under fire. Repeat, HVT under fire.
Oh my god. Here we go with the Oy, oy, oy. Titipi ako. Oh no, nakapagod.
TACOM, I need eyes overhead.
Our HVT has been eliminated.
I will kill you. God damn.
You are our HVT. Stay alert.
Oh, why me? I am sleeping.
Ano Ben? What?
Cancel waypoint mark.
Dungeon fight now.
God damn it.
Protect our HVT.
Okay. I will follow HBT. Oh my god, I did not follow HBT.
HVT is taking fire. Keep the package
Raise
safe.
Hellstorm on my mark.
Saan mo sinugod ko? Matapang naman yar.
TACOM, commence Watchdog Hero mission.
HVT under fire. Repeat, HVT under fire.
Setting waypoint.
Enemy Hellstorm launch detected. Hostile HVT located.
Wait. Pasuka.
Watchdog Helo incoming on your location.
Gal.
Not this time, you son of a bitch.
HVT is taking fire. Keep the package safe. We've taken the lead. Stay on task. They got our HVT. Enemy HVT on site. Take them out. Friendly HVT on site. Keep them safe.
Extra kill.
HVT under fire.
Pull your head out of your ass and check your fucking targets. TACCOM, get a watchdog helo overhead.
Our HVT has been eliminated.
TACCOM, Klaus requesting help from launch.
Took out their HVT. Hostile HVT located.
High value target mo. HBT.
Protect our
BCT.
HVT.
Aray! Saksak ako.
HVT is taking fire. Keep the package safe. HVT under fire. Repeat, HVT under fire. Enemy HVT is down. Friendly HVT on site. Keep them safe. Enemy HVT on site. Take them out. We took out their HVT. Hostile HVT located. They were already dead. They just hadn't realized it. Good job.
God damn. Meow.
Dahil. Kit-kit kaya ng ano. Kaya niya oh. Oh, diba?
Ano ba yan? May sabaw.
Oh. Diba? She's a princess.
Mamma mia.
Hala. May aso tuloy. May pusang nauulol.
What you guys watching?
Wala.
Oh my god.